Mensuration, practice set 7.1.
Practice set 7.1. So now we are going to see the first sum here. Before doing this, very much thorough with all the formulas. I hope you might have observed all the formulas and it is very clear. Now let's see the first sum here. Find the volume of a cone. The question is given, find the volume of a cone if the radius of its base is 1.5 centimeter. That means we have drawn a cone here. This is said to be a radius and this is said to be a perpendicular height, which is always in a h, we say. Perpendicular height is h here and this is said to be a slant height here. Right here. So they said that the radius is 1.5 centimeter and the perpendicular height is 5 centimeter. So we have written here radius is 1.5 centimeter, perpendicular height is 5 centimeter. Now asked to find out the volume of the cone here, right? So the volume of a cone is what? 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Okay, see, for a 2 mark sum, no need to draw this all. This is for your understanding. I have drawn this. Okay, 1 upon 3 pi is 22 upon 7. If they have mentioned to take a pi as a 3.14, then we have to take 3.14. Here nothing is mentioned in the question, so I have taken 22 upon 7. R square. R is what? 1.5. The square means twice we have to write it. H. H is 5 here. So you can cancel it 2.5. So after that you will multiply 22 into 5 into 15 into 5 and then whatever the answer you are getting, you will divide by 7. So you may get the answer as a 11.785 like this after dividing with a 7. Okay, so you will write it cubic. What is this? Whenever we are finding a volume, we are supposed to write a cubic. Okay, cubic. Centimeter means centimeter. You can write it like this or the centimeter cubic like this. Okay, I repeat here 1 upon 3, 1.5 twice. So into 5 here. So you understood this one? Let's see the second sum here. Find the volume of a sphere of a diameter 6 centimeter, right? So here it is been given that the diameter of a sphere is 6 centimeter and the volume of a sphere. So let's write the formula. What is the volume of a sphere? The volume of a sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube, right? So we find the radius. What's the diameter is given as a 6. So can we find the radius? Radius is what? Diameter upon 2, that is 6 upon 2. You will get a 3 centimeter. 4 upon 3 pi r cube means what? 4 upon 3. Pi is what? It's not anything. So we will take it as a 22 upon 7 into r cube. That is 3 times you will write it here. This 3 and 3 gets cancelled. If we multiply 4 into 22, 88. 88 into 9, you will get it as a 792 upon 7. Right? This 7. When we will divide it, we will get 113.14. I said whenever we want to find out the volume, we will write it a cubic. Centimeter or a meter depends on this unit. That is a centimeter. So I write it cubic centimeter. Fine. Yes, dear. Now third sum. Find the total surface area of a cylinder if the radius base is 5 centimeter and height is 40 centimeter. That means we are going to find out the total surface area of a cylinder, right? Where the radius is given as a 5 centimeter and height is given as a 40 centimeter. Let's recollect the formula. What is the total surface area of a cylinder is? That is 2 pi r and h plus r here. Remember, that is a curved surface area. Here there is no pi value given, so we will take it 22 upon 7 into r. Radius is how much? 5 and h is a 40. 40 plus r is 5 here, right? 2 into, so what we are going to write it? We are going to write it 2 into 22 upon 7. Okay, 2 into 22 upon 7 into 5. This is in multiply form. 40 plus 5 is 45. Right, and that is no cancellation possible. So we will multiply it. 2 5s are 10. 10 into 22, 220. 220 into 45 is that is 9,900 divided by this 7. So once you will divide it, you will get it as a 14 14.285 something here, right? See my dear, the backside answer is may differ because they have taken the pi value as a 3.14, but as by the general rules, if it is not mentioned, we are supposed to take a pi as a 22/7. So no matter what is the answer given at the back, this is the right answer when we take the pi as a 22/7. So again, what is this? It's an area. Volume means we used to write cubic. This is an area, so we will write a square. Okay, square centimeter. Fine. See the fourth question. Find the surface area of a sphere of radius 7 centimeter. Okay, radius is given as a what here? 7 centimeters. So here radius is 7. Find the surface area of a sphere. So when we say surface area of a sphere as to whether it is simply curved surface or total surface, we are only talking about the whole surface. That means the whole part of this, the surface area here. Okay, so that means the formula is 4 pi r square, right? So 4 into pi is how much we are going to take? 22/7. R is given as a 7 here. 7 into 7 because it is a square here. 7 gets cancelled. 4 into 22, it's 88. 88 into 7, that is 616. Now as we have a area here, we use always a square and centimeter. So what is the answer? You have to write it that the surface area of a sphere is 616 square centimeter. Fifth question here. The dimensions of a cuboid are 44 centimeter, 21 and 12 centimeter. See, whenever they say dimensions, that means we are talking about the length, breadth and a height here. So length is how much given? 44 centimeter, breadth is 21 centimeter and a height is 12 centimeter. Okay, and it is melted and a cone of height 24 centimeter is made. Find the radius of its base. Radius of which one? Radius of the cone here we have to find out here. Okay dear, let's understand the question. Dimensions of a cuboid. See, I have taken one small dough here to give you the examples here. See, you understand this is a cuboid here. Okay, this is the shape of a cuboid. I made it here, tried to made it. Okay, so what is this? We can consider the length as a 44 centimeter and a breadth as a 21 centimeter and a height as a 12 centimeter. What they are doing? They are melting and a cone is being made. What is this? ये जो cuboid है इसको melt करके cone बना रहे. तो cone बना रहे तो how they will make a cone here? By melting means क्या करते हैं? उसको गर्म करके उसको heat करके. So here also what I am going to trying to do is that with the help of this part here, I am making a cone here. Okay, so you can see the cone has been made here. Okay, the cone has been tried to make a cone here. Okay, so what you want, just for the concept I want to say, I mean using the same whatever the cuboid is made, with that they are trying to make a what is this cone. इसका मतलब क्या हो रहा है? जो we are whenever it is melted and talked about, यानी एक shape को melt करके दूसरा shape बना रहे हैं, इसका मतलब है always we are talking about the volume. You should remember that we are talking about the volume. Yes. So now what was this? Here initially it was a volume of a cuboid. अभी क्या बन रहा है? Volume of a cone. So you should understand that जो same whatever was the metal or whatever, the same is been melted and made. So that means we understand that the volume of a cuboid, okay, is equals to volume of a cone. You understood why I am writing volume of a cuboid is equal to volume of a cone? Because here cuboid का जैसा था metal उसी को ही बना रहे ना cone. तो जितना क्यूबॉइड था उतना ही कोन भी रहेगा. जैसे कि मैंने आपको आटा का दिखाया है, क्यूबॉइड को जो जितना था उतना ही कोन का भी वॉल्यूम बनेगा. इसके लिए दैट इज. सो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर द वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ क्यूबॉइड? L इंटू बी इंटू एच. एंड कोन का फॉर्मूला क्या है? 1/3 पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. And they have already said in this one that the height is 24. See, when it is simply given height, that means we are talking about the perpendicular height. Any h is how much given? 24 centimeter. Now what is L? That is 44 into B is 21 into 12, that is h is 12, equal to 1/3. Pi is 22/7 because nothing is given here. 22/7. R It's not mentioned for the cone, so I'll write it r square, and hs I know it's a 24, right? So whichever it is cancellation possible, we will cancel it. 3 8s are 24. And anything we can cancel? No. So let it be like this. 44 into 21 into 12 equals to r square. We will keep it here. Rest, what all we have? 22 and 8. It is in multiply form. Here it will come in the डिवाइड फॉर्म 22 इंटू 8. समझा? क्योंकि ये यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई फॉर्म में है, इधर आया तो नीचे आ जाएगा डिवाइड फॉर्म, और यहाँ नीचे है 7 विच इज इन डिवाइड फॉर्म, विल गो देयर इन अ मल्टीप्लाई फॉर्म. इट्स वेरी इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड. यू कैन सी, जो नीचे है वो ऊपर जाएगा, जो ऊपर है वो नीचे आ जाएगा, सिर्फ आर स्क्वायर. और ये एक और 8 भी है, हमने ले लिया है. सो वी विल डू ए कैंसलेशन. 12 टेबल और सॉरी 11 टेबल. 11 2s are 22, 11 4s are 44. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. And any more? Yes. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. And here 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. That's it? Yes. So we have 3 7s are 21 or 3 7s are 21 or 21 equal to r square. That means can we take a square root? Yes. Taking a square root, after taking a square root, what you will get? R as a 21. So they asked to find the radius only? Yes. They asked to find the radius of the base here. So we got the radius as a what here? 21 centimeter. You understood how easy the sum is? When we are talking about melting and doing all this thing, it's definitely it's that volume of a one figure is equal to the volume of the other. Then you know how to do using the calculations and all this thing. That's it.